guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, Indaynamo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, today's video, Jax, also known Chef J, will bake a fudge brownie for my mom. So this is the part 2 of our baking session. So guys, we will find out if it is delicious or not. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching!
We're making decorative fudge brownie, except we're gonna add extra walnuts for Simama. So make a brownie. Okay, so 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of oil. Also need 1 egg. And now we don't have to mix this one electronically, we can use the hands and make it sure it goes into the mix. You keep mixing until the powder's within it. It doesn't have to be as perfect as the cake. In terms of consistency, you want it to be a bit gooey. To be honest, it's not that far away. Now, for Simama. Mix those in.
Mix those in.
Then, after I've just double checked it's all mixed in, it's really just straight onto baking. Yeah, so it's fine for now. Now just grease this one. And just make it a lot easier to get the brownie out of the end, or else it likes to stick. So first off, we'll put the butter down so the baking paper will stick to that, or else it won't adhere to the inside properly. That down. And there's no need to have it exactly at the bottom, because if it's up at the sides it means the whole thing will come out a lot easier and it won't stick to the sides as much. Once that's down, get a bit more butter and smear that down at the bottom. And after you grease the pan, it's just a matter of tipping it in. Down the bottom.
How many butter you need to spread?
Oh, until it's no exact science here, until it's just covered in it. You don't want it really to have any blobs lying around after it, but all the butter will melt anyway, and will help it give you the top of the brownie a nice shine. Now we'll start tipping it in.
Tipping it in.
Get out as much as possible. And there, and we may just get a normal spoon now. Probably some of it's a bit metal. It'll scoop out a lot easier. Now, just try spread it across all the parts. That way it will cook evenly. As you can see, most of it actually sits underneath the line of the baking paper, which means it's going to be a lot more easier to remove. So if it's taking a while, you can also use a spoon. And sometimes it's better to actually have a different surface. So brownie's not meant to be perfectly round, so better to have a bit more crunch on top. And now, into the oven we go.
Like this one inside the oven, guys. How long?
Good question.
How long?
Good question. I'll start my stopwatch.
Yes.
So start off in terms of time.
So that's it, guys. That's the one inside now.
It says 40 to 45 minutes, but we'll start checking before then anyway. Right there, it says 40 to 45 minutes, but odds are might be quicker, might be slower. All depends on the oven itself. So we'll start checking maybe around the 30-minute mark.
Okay. Okay guys,
I reckon a few minutes and we might be ready.
our fudgy brownie now. 17 seconds left.
It's minutes.
17 minutes.
Yeah, it says 40 to 45, but it looks like it might be ready even sooner. Yeah, we're not too far off anyway. We're only about 7 minutes from below, but could be different oven, different temperature. So I think maybe a few more minutes and we'll be ready to go.
We're done now, so we will open it and then we will remove inside the oven. Jax will remove it. Careful. It's hot.
Indeed it is.
So we don't need to wait until it's 0. Just take it out and then we need to stop it. And then we go back to the...
As for the cake, we'll just let it sit here now and rest.
And then rest for a while.
Until then, we still need to make the covering, which we have crushed walnuts, and we'll also be making this drizzle sauce to go over the top of it. And clean.
Magic.
I want it to actually put this back without breaking it. That way when I do the decoration, it doesn't go everywhere. Now what's left is to cover it with extra walnuts and also drizzle it in chocolate, which we'll do shortly. Now we'll cut the remainder here. The chocolate from before has hardened. Didn't quite drizzle as I anticipated, just because I didn't have the cream of the right chocolate, but yeah, it's quite good in the middle there, and the outside's nice and crisp. So yes, we'll sample this on as well.
Okay guys, so I will try the fudgy brownie. Finish it. Stop. So that's it guys. Jax, also known as Chef J, bake a fudge brownie for my mom and I'm the taster again. So the taste of the brownie is soft, delicious, and of course winner. So the brownie mix we use this time is the one we bought in the supermarket, in the local supermarket. So that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching our baking session and you learned something today. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for supporting my videos, and please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video guys, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, take care, be safe, and mwah, chala.